In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this look. So today's look, I'm going to be using Juvia's Warrior palette, and they had a sale. So I got all three of the Warriors. We got the Warrior palette. We have Warrior 2 and 3. And today I'll be using 1 and 2. I think I'm going to do my face first today. Don't know, since the look is kind of simple. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Face Prime. I'm going to prime, mainly I'm going to pour a little more visible. And I'm going to rub that in. And then I'm going to pat it in because I want it to actually work. Because it's like a very thick consistency, so it fills in the pores, I'm assuming. I think that's how it works. And I'm going to just pat that in. Okay, so after I put the primer on, I'm going to take some Black Opal. This is a finishing powder, but I'm going to put that on my primer. Set it. For foundation, I'll be using Maybelline Superstay in the color 330. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques foundation brush. I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color medium beige. I'm going to go let this sit, blend it out, and then I'll go on to my eyes. Alright, I'm going to set this concealer first, then I'm going to go to the eyes. I'm going to use this Airspun powder to set the concealer. So I'm going to pat it in first, and then leave a thin layer after that so that it will be easy to clean up if I need to clean up. Okay, so let's get into the eyes. So going in with the Warrior 2 palette, I go in with the color Zama, and it's this orangey color right here. I'm gonna put this concealer stick down as a base for my shadows. And I'm gonna just blend it out with a sponge. I'm gonna go in with that color Zama, whatever. And I'm gonna apply it to the outer edge of my crease. And I'm just gonna pat that in. Then I'm gonna go in with the color Kufu Roo. Right, oh my goodness. Right here, Kufu Roo. And that'll be on the other side of that orange. So in the inner part of my crease, I'm gonna apply that. And I'm packing it on, and then I'm gonna kind of blend it together with the other color once I get it on good. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and just blend out the edges. And excuse this raggedy brush. And just blending those edges together. Take this color Dara right here, and I'm gonna just blend that edge out I'm gonna blend those edges out with that color. I think that's a little, yeah, that'll work. Then I'm gonna take the L'Oreal palette, that cover right there. I'm gonna take those two colors, the orangey and the brown. I'm gonna apply those to my lower lash line. I'm gonna use this black opal foundation stick in the color Suede Mocha. And I'm gonna just add a dab of that to my cheekbones. And that's gonna be my contour with that, yeah. And blend it out. And blend upwards on this side too. The Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And I'm gonna take the contour color and I'm gonna blend out my nose. Well, blend out that contour first, and then my nose. Contour my nose. This is just setting that concealer, well, foundation I put down in the contour color, just setting that into place. Then I'm gonna blend all that together. I'm gonna use just a face powder. That's my skin tone. Blend it all together. And then I'm gonna do my nose contour. So just take a little brush, a lighter color, and do my nose. Just like a little bit of a slight contour on my nose. Okay, so I'm gonna highlight with this highlight color in that same Black Radiance contour palette. I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones. Just to kind of go with the eyes. I'm gonna use a NYX liner and Wet n Wild nude lipstick and a gloss. And I'm gonna add that to the middle of my lips. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like this look. So guys, if you like this look, give it a thumbs up, share it, and I will see you in the next one.